Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins, shipped to you from worldwide, from Melbourne in Australia.
That's
not
us.
from worldwide, from Melbourne in Australia. What have we got for them today?
It must be Monday afternoon. We have got something that's kind of special but kind of not. So we've had these in before, and we'll have a look inside them, inside the box fairly quickly. And you'll know, I'm assuming, Rudge, you're going to put it up as what they are? Yeah, okay. So you'll know that they're 1 ounce maples. And like everyone's seen the gold maple before. But this is to serve two purposes. One is to say, hey, we've got the 1 ounce gold maple back in stock. Grab them. The second thing is just to let people become aware of the fact that this is the first time we've had the official notice, but we're going to see this more and more where they're going to stop us from ordering quite a number of different things because of the passing of Queen Elizabeth. A, there's been a huge increase in demand, and then B, no one kind of knows what's happening with the various, how long they're going to run with the Queen Elizabeth effigies. So they're basically saying, this is it. We will not be able to get any more of the maples until further notice. And I suspect that will be till 2023 at the earliest.
Yeah, so a lot of the ones that would have just kind of been staples and would have automatically kind of rolled over are now kind of have a bit of a question mark above their heads.
That's right. It's going to be a little bit of a rarity for a while, I suspect. So these are Mapley's, and I'm really glad we ordered so many of them.
I've had a lot of people asking about these.
Yeah, because if they're not going to let us have any more... yeah, I'm glad we ordered a decent chunk. So these are, look, you know, they're nothing out of the ordinary. They're a standard 1 ounce gold maple. And
But we like the maples.
2020, absolutely, we love the maples. Matt particularly loves the maples. But yeah, just the fact that if you're after the 2022 1 ounce maple, this I will almost guarantee, very close to as a guarantee as I can get, I will almost guarantee these will be the last 2022 maples that we see. And I suspect that we won't see any 23 maples for a number of months into the new year. So yeah, if you're in the market for the 1 ounce maple, we've got them in stock for as long as it takes us to clear these ones, and then we'll be out until further notice.
Do you expect the new effigy to impact premiums of people wanting to nab them up as the first? Sorry, I'll put you on the spot there on that one.
Yeah. To be 100% honest, I don't know. The extra demand that all bullion dealers, all coin dealers are currently seeing, we are seeing premiums to start creeping up. I suspect that a lot of people are going to grab the last of type and the first of type. So yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if we don't see premiums starting to creep up. I haven't increased premiums on these. Maybe I should.
I think they'll go before you even get a chance to think about it, to be totally honest.
Yeah, so look, they'll be if you're watching this, they will be on the web. There'll be a link down below. And like I said, if you're in the market for the 1 ounce maple, grab them while you can, because we won't be getting any more in for the rest of the year, and I'd suggest quite a ways into the new year.
Good stuff.
Alrighty, that's it.
Fantastic, that's it from me.
Thanks everyone, see ya.
See ya.